The story of Santa Claus begins more than 1,700 years ago with Saint Nicholas, a Christian bishop in the ancient city of Myra in present-day Turkey. Known for his generosity, Nicholas secretly gave gifts to the poor, especially children, and his kindness became legendary. Over centuries, his story spread across Europe, evolving into figures like Sinterklaas in the Netherlands. In the 19th century, American writers and illustrators reshaped the character, giving him a cheerful personality, a sleigh, and reindeer. The famous red suit became widely popular in the 20th century through advertising and mass media. Today, Santa Claus is a global symbol of giving and joy, blending history, folklore, and tradition into one enduring figure of the holiday season.
If you want to create informative videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can actually create this, and it won't take more than 3 minutes. The platform we are going to use today is Higgsfield, and the model we'll use is Kling 2.6. Now why I'm choosing Kling 2.6? It is simple. It has built-in audio generation, so we don't need any external apps to create narrations separately. Everything happens in one place.
It's bigger than anything I've ever seen.
Now to create a video, first thing we'll need is an idea. I don't have one right now, so I'm going to use ChatGPT. I'll share all the prompts in the description so you can just check it out. I'm just copying the prompt and paste it here. The inspiration I used in this prompt can always be changed. For example, I'm going to remove the Eiffel Tower. I'm going to replace this topic because we already created a video on that, and I'm going to replace this with the Da Vinci Code. So now you can see it has generated 10 ideas. I'm going to use this topic. Next, I just paste the second prompt. Let me copy this and paste it. Now before sending the prompt, you have to add your topic. Because I'm going to create a video on this topic, I'm going to paste it here. Alright, now it has generated all the prompts I need. Now just copy this and head over to the Higgsfield. I'm going to paste the video prompt, and then I'm going to paste the narration prompt. Now I don't want different voices for different clips, so I'm clearly mentioning the voice style I want. You can choose any voice that suits your content. Make sure you select 9:16 ratio and hit the generate button. So it has started generating our first clip. Now here is one of the best things about Higgsfield. You don't have to wait until one generation finishes to send the next prompt. You can paste all your prompt one by one and generate everything together because it supports multiple generations at the same time. So I'm going to copy the second prompt also. So this is going to be our last prompt. We have copied the narration and pasted it here and hit the generate button. It has already generated some of our clips.
According to Plato, Atlantis lay beyond the pillars of Hercules and ruled the seas with advanced cities, vast canals, and immense wealth. a war with... According to Homer's Iliad, Greek armies besieged Troy for 10 long years, sparked by the abduction of Helen of Sparta.
Beneath the ruins, history and myth meet.
So I'm not loving the last generation, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to regenerate the last scene.
Uncovered multiple cities built atop one another, dating to the age described by Homer. In the 19th century,
For centuries, scholars believed Troy was only legend until archaeology challenged the myth. For centuries, scholars believed Troy was only legend until archaeology challenged the myth. For centuries.
And look at this, the results are already looking clean and professional. It has created the last scene also.
The Trojan War may not be exactly as Tolkien, but beneath the...
Nearly 3,000 years ago, a war was said to have reshaped the ancient world. The Trojan War, where myth and history became forever entwined.
according to Homer's Iliad, Greek armies besieged Troy for 10 long years, sparked by the abduction of Helen of Sparta.
For centuries, scholars believed Troy was only legend until archaeology challenged the myth.
In the 19th century, excavations uncovered multiple cities built atop one another, dating to the age described by Homer.
Evidence of fire, weapons, and destruction suggests one city fell violently, possibly echoing the war remembered in epic poetry.
The Trojan War may not be exactly as Tolkien, but beneath the ruins, history and myth meet, leaving echoes of a real ancient conflict.
That is it. This is how you can create informative short videos in just a few minutes. See you for the next time.